कंप्यूटर चैप्टर नंबर 9 सॉल्यूशन। सो फर्स्ट हम इसके क्वेश्चन आंसर करेंगे, फिर हम इसके ट्रू फॉल्स, फिर इन द ब्लैंक्स और मैच द फॉलोइंग करेंगे। तो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है व्हाट इज़ अ फॉर्म। तो इसका आंसर है फॉर्म्स आर द प्राइमरी ऑब्जेक्ट यूज टू एंटर एंड एडिट डाटा। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है राइट द स्टेप टू क्रिएट अ फॉर्म विद द हेल्प ऑफ वाइजार्ड। Design view opens a blank from in design view and we need to incorporate various objects that we would like to appear in it. These methods not used much as it is easier and faster to create an auto form or to the use the wizard and afterward modify the design of the created form to adjust it to our needs. Form wizard uses a wizard that guides us step by step in the creation of the form. Auto form automatically creates a new form that contains all the data from the source table. Next question है what is a report? So reports are generally used to present the data of a table or query in order to print them. So next है why should you create a report? So इसका आंसर है by using the report the data can only be visualized or printed and it cannot be edited and the information can be grouped and totals extracted by the groups more easily. Next question है write the step to design form using wizard. So the form wizard actually very useful and should have you a bunch of time. Let's create the symbol data input. तो ये है स्टेप। फर्स्ट स्टेप है navigate to the form section in Access. Second है double click create form by using wizard. Click on create form by using wizard. Third है we want all of the fields from TBL sales to be included in this form. So first select TBL sales from the drop down box tables/queries. Fourth the single right arrow will add one select field at a time, but we want all the fields. The shortcut to add every field from a given table or query is to click the double arrow button, do that and click next. Fifth choose a columnar layout and press next. Choose any style and press next. We choose Sumi painting. Change the form's titles to from employee entry and click finish and open up your form and check it out. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है राइट द स्टेप टू डिज़ाइन अ रिपोर्ट यूजिंग वाइजार्ड। तो इसका आंसर थोड़ा लंबा है। फर्स्ट स्टेप द वाइजार्ड फर्स्ट विंडो विल अपीयर इन द विंडो वी आर आस्क्ड टू इंट्रोड्यूस द फील्ड्स टू बी इंक्लूडेड इन द रिपोर्ट. फर्स्ट वी सेलेक्ट द टेबल और क्वेरी फ्रॉम द tables/query box where it should extract the data from. This will be the report source. If we want to extract data from various fields, it would be the best to create a query to obtain the data and then to use this query as the source of the report. Next we select the fields by clicking on the field and on the button or simply double click on the field. If we make a mistake or click on the dash का बटन होता है button on the field will be removed from the list of selected fields. We want to select all the fields at the same time by clicking on the this button or deselect all the same time by clicking on this button. Click on the next / button and the next window will appear. In this screen we select the grouping levels within the report. We can group the reports by way of various concepts and with each concept add to a group header and a footer, and in group footer we normally see the group total. To add a group leveling, click on the field by which we want to group and click on this / button or double click directly on the field. A diagram will appear to the right indicating the structure that our report will take on, and in the central zone the fields that are seen for every record will appear. In our example, a group by city will appear at the top and a group by postal code will appear at the bottom. To move a grouping level, click on the header corresponding the group and clicking on this / button. If we want to change the order of the defined groups, we use this button. The upward arrow will move as a group and the downward arrow will move us down a group. With group option button we can refine the grouping. Click on this button and the following screen will appear this, and the different groups that we have find will appear in this box. And when we have the grouping levels defined, we click on the next button and finally click finishing to create the report. So these are the steps to create a report using a wizard. Next अब हम यहाँ पे ट्रू और false करने वाले हैं. Form is used to enter, edit and view data in a table. It is true. From wizard uses a wizard that guides us step by step in the creation of the form. It's true. A dictionary is not a database. It is false. The easiest way to create a report is using the wizard. It is true. Now fill in the blanks. In some database program are called views. forms is used to present the information in a customized way. Data is a collection of raw facts and raw. MS Access is a report. Match the following form. Present data in order to print them. Autoform columnar present one record on a screen. Autoform tabular present all the records on the screen. Report. Primary object used to enter and edit data. Pivot table wizard guides us in the creation of the dynamic table. So in this video we had covered all the question answer, true false, fill in the blanks and match the following. So thank you for watching.